Hey there and welcome to Real Yoga. My name is Hanna. This guy is Baloo and today I've commodified his area and he clearly is really happy about it. But we're going to bring you a video that demonstrates how to do Ujjayi breath. So Ujjayi is a super common breath technique used in most Hatha or Vinyasa or yoga flow classes. And you may have heard your teacher say, switch on your Ujjayi breath. And you're like, yeah, no problem, whatever that is. And you may also hear a whole bunch of people in the class start breathing like there's a room full of Comic-Con Darth Vader nerds. Also not a bad thing. Maybe that is the kind of room you're in. So what we'll do today, I'm going to show you two techniques. One is a really common one used by teachers the world over. I see everyone demonstrate it like this, so it must work. And the second is the technique that I like to use and the one that really helped me understand what muscles I needed to constrict in the back of my throat to make that epic Darth Vader / ocean / scary person on the phone voice, whatever you want to call it. So you don't need anything for this practice. You don't need to be in yoga clothes. I'm sitting up on a block. If you have a pet nearby, I do recommend. When you're ready, we'll get started. So bring yourself into a comfortable seat of your choice. It doesn't have to look like mine. Hopefully you've got a Baloo around or someone else maybe that you're practicing with today. You can also do this practice from a chair or from bed if that's your jam. So find your comfortable seat and start already to sit up a little taller. Now Ujjayi basically translates to upward conquering breath. And I think maybe this is where the name victorious breath comes from. And I love this name for Ujjayi because personally when I'm in my practice and I am really kind of sweating it out and feeling really strong in my warrior shapes or whatever, I don't know which warrior that is, like the dab warrior. Wow. And I can hear my breath. I really feel the power to kind of get through the rest of my practice. And the point of Ujjayi is when you can hear your breath, you have this gauge of this slow, steady, even breath. And at the end of the day, that's the yoga that we're trying to achieve when we're doing our asana practice, this slow, easeful breath. All right, that's enough of me yammering on about it. Let's get started. So first I'm going to show you that really common technique that everyone uses. So basically this technique is called fogging up a window. So take your hand in front of your face and you want to treat your hand like a mirror or a car window or whatever. And basically you're going to breathe into your hand. I highly recommend doing this if you haven't brushed your teeth. Not speaking from experience. And then basically open your mouth, breathing into your hand like you want to fog it up. So you might already have heard that the sound of my breath changed. Do it again and notice where you can feel this breath coming from. Do you feel that your core has to work a little harder to really get that breath out? So that's really great. That's the kind of sensation. We want to incorporate the core in our breath while we're doing yoga, so we have this strong supported core to take us through all of the asanas that we use. And unfortunately, core is involved in all of it. It's all connected. So take one more shot doing your fog up window breath. And then release your hand down, close your mouth and see if you can maintain that sensation. You might even close your eyes. Open your eyes. Great. Now see if you can keep that kind of same feeling, this breath from deep within the bottom of your lungs, in your inhale as well as your exhale. So again, close your eyes, close your mouth, rest your hands, relax just for a second. And then inhale with this constriction at the back of your throat. Exhale, same deal. Take a couple of rounds, see if you can get used to it. Sort of like you're snoring, but without the nostrils involved. Well, your nostrils are involved, just not flappy. And then open your eyes. Nice. Let it go. Breathe normally. So that's a technique that's commonly used, and you may be able to feel, like I said, when you do the fogging thing with your mouth open, it's probably really easy to feel the breath change and that sound comes out really easily. But as you close your mouth, it might get a little trickier. So here's what I like to do to really feel that sensation in the back of my throat, the muscles that I need to contract, so that when that breath passes through, it makes that audible noise. And like I said, Darth Vader is a fun option, but maybe it's more yogi to say this like ocean sound, this whispering of the waves coming in and out of the shore. Okay, so this is my technique. Maybe you enjoy the other one, maybe you like this one, maybe a combination of both will work for you. So take the tip of your tongue to the roof of your mouth. Can you feel that? Can you feel the muscles that have closed in the back of your throat? Nice. Now with the tip of your tongue at the roof of your mouth, feeling those muscles that you need to contract, can you drop your tongue, close your lips, but maintain that contraction in the back of your throat, and then start to breathe. Let's close our eyes. Keep going, keeping your eyes closed. And if you get lost, you can always bring the tip of your tongue back to the roof of your mouth to feel the muscles that you need to contract. And then again, when you're ready to pick it back up again, just release the tongue down and begin to breathe. See if you can make the sound on both your inhale and your exhale breath. And notice that as you gain confidence using this breath, that your inhale and your exhale are of equal length. I hope the microphone is going to pick up that Baloo has joined in. I can hear him breathing with his strong Ujjayi breath. Keep your eyes closed. Let's take just 3 more rounds. Keeping your eyes closed, relax your jaw, relax your shoulders, and release your Ujjayi breath. Just allow yourself to breathe normally here for the next few rounds. Notice how that practice, even though it was very short, notice how it made you feel. Do you feel more victorious? Maybe you feel more calm. You might notice that you're a little warmer because you've had to integrate your core, so therefore you've generated a bit of heat in your body. Take a full breath in through your nose and let it out your mouth. Open your eyes. I hope that those techniques helped you to understand the muscles in the back of your throat that you need to find this Ujjayi breath, so that the next time you're in yoga class and your teacher tells you to turn on your Ujjayi, you're like, I know what that is. A little Darth Vader action. So I hope you have a really great day or evening whenever you're practicing this. Baloo thanks you for joining him today, and so do I. Bring your hands together, bow your chin to your chest. Namaste.